What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I'd like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Today, everybody, we are talking coating maintenance. All right. As you guys follow along the channel, if you're new to the channel, I'll be sure to put the link to the video that I'm talking about down in the description for you guys to see the install video. But we're talking coating maintenance. I got little blue here, my little Civic, and I coated it with Diamond Body 36 about a month ago. And I just got done giving it a quick wash, and I would like to top it with their Diamond Body QuickBody. So I went ahead and I ordered the Diamond Protech maintenance kit. I paid for this myself. They did not send it to me. They did send me the coating, but I ordered the maintenance kit. So shout out to Tyler and all the guys over at Diamond Protech. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. I'm getting ready to basically top the Civic. And why would I do that? Well, for one, let's talk about the different types of coatings that are out there. There are coatings that are going to be ultra slick and ultra hydrophobic, which is cool. It's aesthetically pleasing to see all those crazy super tight beads and everything like that. But I feel like don't get mad at me, but I feel like people, if they don't see that, they feel like that it's trash. They're like, oh, it's not beating, then oh, it's slowly, it's sheeting. There's different types of coatings and there's different types of protection. I prefer a sheeter. I prefer the water to kind of pull up a little and then just run off the paint. Yes, I love the crazy beads and the crazy hydrophobic properties. It's awesome. Don't get me wrong. I love it. But I prefer sheeting capabilities. Now, my understanding, Diamond Body 36 isn't the most hydrophobic coating. It's not going to be crazy hydrophobic and crazy slick like some of these other coatings that I've used and that are out there. And that's fine. They came out with QuickBody, which is their topper to the coating, which is going to go ahead and increase that slickness and then add in that hydrophobic property. Just because it's not crazy hydrophobic does not mean your paint is not protected. So that's what I wanted to stress. The hydrophobics are still great on this coating. Still looks fantastic. The gloss is still there and it's still keeping my car protected. And that's what I wanted to stress. But I want to go ahead and yeah, boost up that slickness, boost up that hydrophobic property. We're getting a storm this coming up week. It's been absolutely gorgeous the past 4 or 5 days. We had 3 days of rain and the coating on Diamond Body 36 has been fantastic. Just doing its job. But it rained for 3 days and then it's been nice for 4 or 5 days. So I wanted to give it a wash, get it cleaned up, and then put QuickBody on it before this next storm. So this is what you get with Diamond QuickBody. You get the kit here. You go over the maintenance kit, scratch resistant, corrosion, oxidation resistant, enhanced water beating, oilophobic and dirt repelling, tree sap, bird droppings resistance, just like all their coatings. It's got your QuickBody, your Diamond Body Prep, which I'm not going to use because this can be used as a standalone protectant on your car. You're going to get 6 months of protection out of it. And that goes with the ease of use as well. So let's open it up. We've got our QuickBody Prep, which is a fantastic prep. I'm not going to need that, but I will use that again if I coat another car with the other half of the bottle that I have that I'm trying to use up. And then I got Diamond QuickBody here. As always, their presentation is always on point. You got your 2 pairs of gloves, which I will put on. And oh, came with 2 towels this time. It's got 2 towels, a towel on, towel off for QuickBody. So that's awesome. I'm going to get set up on little blue here. And I want to give you guys my thoughts on QuickBody because some people might want to use something like this as a standalone protection, and I'll give you guys my thoughts, my feedback, slickness, all that type of stuff. And then make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed and you have that notification bell clicked because next time I wash it, I would like to see the difference in hydrophobic properties after putting QuickBody on. So I'm gonna get set up. I'm gonna get my gloves on. I got my towel 1, my towel 2. I'm gonna apply it with an applicator. Now they say spray into the towel, wipe on, wipe off. Um, I like to use an applicator because I like to know where I'm applying. Now, if I just spray it into the towel, I don't know if I'm getting really even coverage. So these type of toppers and products like this, I call it a light version of their coating. But I could be wrong, but the toppers, I like to know I'm getting full coverage. So I'm going to put it in my little applicator, and I'm going to apply it with an applicator, and then I'm going to buff it off with a towel. Just so I know it's going where I need it to go. I'm going to spray away. Shout out to my buddy Fab. He was like, make sure you spray away, because he got some overspray on his truck when he was putting this on it. He said, make sure, when you spray it, just kind of spray it away, because it'll atomize and mist, and you don't want to get overspray on your car, which that's totally acceptable. I will do that. So we're going to get set up. We're going to get little blue over here ready to top with the Diamond QuickBody and amplify that gloss, amplify that slickness, and amplify these hydrophobics. So let's get started. All right, everybody. So I'm going to head and close the garage. Traffic in the background's annoying. I know I can take it out in my editing, but it's still annoying to me. We got a little blue here in the background, looking fantastic. I mean, the gloss, this thing just looks crazy. And we're going to go ahead and amplify that. We got QuickBody here. 6 months of hydrophobic protection, easy, spray on, wipe off. A unique hybrid SiO2 formula, resists UV oxidation and water spots, offers a slick feel and a beautiful caramel gloss. All right, so let's check it out. We got QuickBody here. Now, some people are like, well, it's a coating. You shouldn't have to top it, blah, 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 blah. Look, people need to stop complaining. Oh, there's... So if you guys remember my video, if not, the link's down below. In the video, I describe the little balls at the bottom that help shake up the coating, and looks like they have them in QuickBody as well. Directions are, they're not on the bottle, they are on the box. Spray onto the surface area, wipe gently over the area at least twice to provide even coverage. Work in sections to ensure correct and thorough application. Use a dry microfiber towel to remove any excess product and buff to a caramel gloss shine. Perfect. Very simple. So I'm going to shake this up, make sure it's good to go. Like I was saying, people need to stop complaining. They're like, oh, it's a coating. You apply the coating, you shouldn't have to do this. You shouldn't have to put a topper. Coating shouldn't require toppers. Okay, well, some coatings do, some coatings don't. I'd be just fine. It is kind of potent. It's definitely strong. So, whew, that sniffer. Got my gloves on here. I love that they provide gloves 2 sizes too, for those with kind of smaller hands like me. I've got my towel 1 and my towel 2 here in my nice clean apron. You guys, I love this apron. I'll leave this down below in the links as well. But yeah, we've got QuickBody here. We've got Lil Blue. Now, I'm gonna start here on the hood. Go ahead, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray away from the car like this, and I'm gonna just kind of put a few sprays in the applicator just to kind of prime it, and just apply it kind of like a coating. That's what I like to do with these products. It definitely has like a coating like appearance when you're applying it. I can tell you that right now. And like I said, you can spray it into your towel if you'd like, but I'm going to apply it just like a coating. Even coverage. It smells like a coating. I'll take my towel 1. It's spray on, wipe off. So, we'll just kind of take the first one and just kind of buff it off. It is very slick. There it is. There's the slickness. Slickness coming in. Oh yeah. You don't really even need a towel too, to be honest. But we'll come in with the towel too. I'll bring you guys in when I do this other half of the hood. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is nice. That is very, very nice. That's very nice slickness there. And that's awesome. You know, some coatings are slick, some coatings are not. But the main thing is that the paint is protected. Like I said, I'm a sheeter. I like sheeting. So let me bring you guys in real quick. I'm gonna bring you guys in for an application. Look, what I'm gonna do is just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 little sprays in my applicator. I'm gonna bring you guys in. All right, folks. So I got a couple sprays in my applicator, and I'm gonna try to show you guys here just how I do it. And like I normally do, I just kind of go like an X. Go up here to the corner, do an X down here, and then go up, and you can kind of see it's kind of like a coating the way it applies. You guys see that? It definitely smells like a coating. And I mean, buff off is amazingly easy. And it's nice and slick. I mean, with how user-friendly their coating was, I wouldn't expect anything less. So you can kind of see it. It's already kind of like disappearing. I can kind of still see it. It's kind of hazy on there. We'll take our first towel and go ahead and start buffing off. Super slick. Super, super nice and slick like butter. That's what I like. That's what I like. There we go. Really excited to do the first wash after this. It's going to rain, I think, at the end of this week. It's Monday right now. I think we're expecting rain possibly Thursday or Friday. And that's that's pretty much it. I mean, we'll come in with towel too, but it doesn't even need it, to be honest. Don't even need towel too. This is effortless, absolutely effortless. And that's application of the QuickBody, which is really honestly very easy. Very, very easy. So as you can see, Civic already looks great. So I'm going to get QuickBody applied to the whole car. We'll come back and take a look at it and then jump into some final thoughts. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we've got the Diamond QuickBody applied to the little blue here. I used about, I don't know, a quarter of the bottle. I mean, you could see it's about right to here. Used not that much at all. I mean, I can go around this thing probably 4 or 5 times and topping it. So that gives you kind of an idea of how much you can actually cover. And I did all the glass except for the windshield because I have a coating on the windshield and it's doing phenomenal. So I have not topped the windshield, but I did all the side glass, the back glass, top, you know, all the paint and the headlights and stuff like that. And this thing looked great. I mean, this thing looks incredible. Little blue, 270,000 miles on this bad boy. That blue is popping. And it looks fantastic. I can't express how easy QuickBody is to use. It's absolutely effortless to use. Absolutely effortless. Let's jump into some final thoughts. Alrighty, folks. We are on a quick final thoughts segment on the Diamond QuickBody from Diamond Protech. You guys, Diamond QuickBody is absolutely a breeze to use. If you can apply a sealant, a spray wax, a detailer, you can apply this. It is ultra slick. Now, like I said, Diamond Body 36 wasn't the slickest coating when I applied it. Was I mad about that? No, not really. But let me tell you, this stuff right here adds the butter slickness to the paint. I was like, yes, I love it. Everybody loves that nice, silky, smooth feeling, and that's exactly what QuickBody does. I'm really excited to see what the hydrophobics look like the next time I wash it. Like I said, stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see that. But Diamond QuickBody doesn't smell the greatest. It is potent, so I recommend at least having a door open or a window open in the garage if that's what you're going to be doing. Application 10 out of 10. I mean, it's absolute butter. I applied it like a coating. I'm sure you can just spray it into a towel and just kind of wipe it on and wipe it off. But like I said, I like to be able to know that I'm getting 100% coverage. That's why I do it with an applicator. To each their own. You don't have to. The kit does come with Diamond Body Prep. Now, if you already have Diamond Body 36 or Diamond Body or any of their coatings on your car, I don't recommend using this. Okay, I think this is for this is if you want to use QuickBody as a standalone. So let's say you wash your car, there's no protection, it's about to be winter, you want to get some protection on it, you wash it up, you decon it, then you come in with your prep, you wipe it down with this, and then you wipe it down with your QuickBody, and that'll get you, they say, 6 months of protection. Although I feel like it might be a little more. Just going off of how it smells, how it applies, how it looks. But 6 months is still fantastic for how easy it is. I mean, the Diamond Body 36 was an easy coating to apply as well. So I had zero doubts that QuickBody was going to be easy to use. Zero doubts. It's got to be effortless. So yeah, Diamond QuickBody, 2 thumbs up for me. Absolutely. Super slick. And as you guys saw, a little blue looks incredible. That little touch of gloss, that slickness. Now, to be determined is the hydrophobic properties. So stay tuned. We'll check that out. QuickBody, 10 out of 10 in my books. This stuff is absolutely effortless. Zero issues. Can go on any hard surface on the exterior, and it's a breeze to work with. Like I said, the only thing is open a window because it does kind of have that coating smell. Just open a window, put your gloves on, stay safe, and you'll be good to go, and you will love it. So that's going to wrap up this video on Diamond QuickBody from Diamond Protech. Once again, shout out to Tyler, all the guys over at Diamond Protech. I appreciate you guys. I'm diving down the rabbit hole. We're going to check out more of their products soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope all you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me. Click that notification icon bell. Make sure it's turned on. That way when I upload more videos, you guys get notified. And that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate all you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch and support the channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys have a fantastic day, night, evening. Whatever it is, where you're at right now watching. I'll catch you guys all in the next video.